Employees under the influence of drugs or alcohol may have diminished productivity, poor work performance, and pose a serious safety risk to themselves and others. Employers have the right and an obligation to maintain a safe work environment, and ADA regulations give them significant rights to ensure an alcohol and drug-free workplace, testing employees for illegal drugs and the use of alcohol. Illegal drug use must be current to test an employee. This means it occurred recently enough to justify an employer's reasonable belief that such use is a continuing problem. Determining current drug use should be done on a case-by-case basis. Under the ADA, testing employees or applicants for current illegal use of drugs is not considered a medical examination, thus it is allowed pre-employment. The ADA does not prevent employers from making employment decisions based on verifiable results. An employer may fire an employee or refuse to hire an applicant using drugs illegally. The employer need not show that the test administration is job-related and consistent with business necessity. However, the ADA protects recovering and recovered alcoholics and drug addicts from discrimination. Employers can't fire, refuse to hire, or promote someone because they have a history of substance use, including persons who have sought treatment for their addiction by completing or enrolling in a rehabilitation program and no longer illegally using drugs. It also protects persons erroneously regarded as engaging in illegal drug use, which is why employers must be careful not to single out employees for testing simply because they look or act as though they are under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Many physical symptoms commonly associated with intoxication, such as slurred speech, disorientation, or lack of coordination, could also result from a serious physical disability or medical condition, such as diabetes, low blood sugar, or mental illness. Individuals with these conditions are protected under provisions of the ADA. Singling them out for testing or disciplinary action could result in discrimination charges.